Huh?
Let's go and play.
Nope.
What were you doing here all night? Eating? This one is just right.
Don't be scared. We've got a toy.
Huh?
It's a kitten.
We won't harm you.
Going to build here, Leo. A racetrack.
A racetrack?
A prop one?
Leo. There are lots of used tires here.
There's nobody here.
Huh?
Ah. It's the pink car.
Give that back. It's mine.
Huh?
Yes?
There we go.
If the television is going to work,
Number 15. Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Flame Grill taste with perfect toppers. I boom this day. Lettuce, mayo, pickle, ketchup.
Lefty and Scoop, robots Leia, having a lot of fun. They build the cars that are so good. Wheel, motor, and hood. Who brings the parts? It's Leo. Leo the truck. Leo.
I'm not scared of anything.
Boo!
Huh?
Leia, what an amazing costume.
Lifty is going into the ghost train. He wants to know what's inside.
Huh?
I wonder if Lifty will be scared.
Huh? Huh?
Oh, a ghost. It sounds like they got a fright. Scoop, are you scared? Is someone hiding in the boxes?
Who's there? Huh? Oh,
Huh?
Really frightened. You're trying to hide behind the fridge?
I said orange.
Huh?
Orange suits it better.
no, dark blue.
Well, I'm gonna paint it without you.
Give me the paint. No. Oh,
What's wrong, you two?
It was him! He just...
and Leia's throwing paint around.
Whose idea was this?
Leia!
Leo, Scoop, be quick. The robots are playing very dangerously. Stop, robots. Wait for Leo.
Huh?
Oh no! That's not a very polite way of asking, Scoop.